Problem number 7 is a word problem, and it states a butcher has some hamburger that is 21% fat and some that is 15% fat. So those are hamburgers 1 and 2. The first one is 21% and the second one is 15% fat. How many pounds of each? So how many pounds of hamburger number 1 and how many pounds of hamburger 2 are used to make 90 pounds of a hamburger that's 17% fat? The key word is that it's the mix. Mix means your mixture at the bottom. That's why the 17% and 90 pounds go on the bottom. So the question becomes, how many pounds of hamburger number 1 and how many pounds of hamburger number 2? So the first one we're going to call X, and the second one we're just going to call 90 minus X. Whenever you're given the bottom number, the top one's always X and the middle one's always 90 minus X. Whatever the bottom is minus X. Our next step would be to multiply across 21X, 15 times 90 minus X, and 17 times 90. When we're given the mixture, it always becomes the top one plus the middle equals the bottom. So our equation is 21X plus 15 times 90 minus X is equal to 17 times 90. So now we have to distribute the 15 to each of the terms. So it becomes 21X plus 15 times 90, that's 10, that's 900, so it might be 1350 minus 15X is equal to 17 times 90 is 1530. Now we're combining our like terms. 21X minus 15X is 6X plus 1350 is equal to 1530. So the next step would be to move the 1350 over to the other side, so minus 1350 and minus 1350. So we're left with 6X is equal to 180. Then you're going to divide by 6 and divide by 6, so X is equal to 30. We're going to take 30 and substitute it back into our chart. So of the 21% hamburger, you're going to have 30 pounds. And of the 15% hamburger, you're going to take this 30, substitute it back in for X, so you're going to have 90 minus 30, which will give you 60 pounds. So the answer for number 7 would be 21% of the 30 pounds and 15% of the 60 pounds.